Hello, my lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Math Skills Class 6 by G. Ram Books. So today we are starting Chapter 1, Patterns in Mathematics. So, learning outcomes. In this chapter, you will learn about patterns in numbers, visualizing number sequences and patterns in shapes. Now boot up to recapitulate previous knowledge of concepts, competency-based questions, A part, multiple choice question. The first one, choose the odd one out, that is this one. Third part, the second one here, this side arrow, then up, then we are rotating it, then down, then again this will come and this will come. So what is which two figures come next in this pattern? That is first one. Now the third, use the pattern in the box below to answer this question. So here one designing is given according to this. So what will be next? You can see a rectangle, then rhombus, a square, rectangle, rhombus, a square, then rectangle, rhombus, square, then rectangle. So first one, right? So the fourth is, what number is missing in the pattern? 10, 12, 14, 16. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, that is 18. Okay. Now come to B part, filling the blanks. The first one, complete the following pattern. A part here, one circle, one square. Then two circles, two squares. Then next, three circles, 3 squares. Okay, and here B part, one triangle, then we are adding one triangle on one of the side, then we are adding one more triangle, and then the next we are adding one more triangle on one of the side. Okay, now the C part here, one circle and then one diameter, then two diameters, then number of diameters increasing, then one more diameter we can take like this in the next figure. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now question number 2, write the next two numbers in the following sequence. A part, 3, 6, 10, 15. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. And 21 plus 7, it becomes 28. Now B part, 8, 18, 28, 38. Then next is 48 and then next is 58. Similarly, you can try C and D part. Okay. Now come to introduction part. Basically, mathematics is all about numbers. It also involves the study of different patterns. So there are different types of patterns such as number patterns, image patterns, word patterns, etc. So number patterns are very common in mathematics. They are quite familiar to the students who study maths frequently. So especially number patterns are everywhere in mathematics. Apart from this, nature is the best example which shows patterns. So nature provides patterns in flowers, animals and shapes. The secret of discovering these patterns is to look around. This is called observations. Now, numbers are fascinating and so are the patterns. So, the first one is patterns in numbers. Numbers have fascinated humans since ages, be it the mathematicians or statisticians. There is so much that one can do with them and there is so much that is yet to be discovered. For example, we know that the whole numbers represent the set of all positive numbers, including 0 without any decimal or fractional part. But did we know that we can derive relationship between the whole numbers by finding some kind of patterns between them, right? Now, visualizing number sequences. Here we will study about number patterns which have been explained in previous topic. The first one, patterns in addition. The first part, pattern by adding 3 consecutive numbers, right? So look at here. So here, like 1, 2, 3, we are adding these 3 numbers. we are getting sum is 6. Then 2 plus 3 plus 4, sum is 9. ऐसे 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12. So like this, we are getting these sums. Now see, this one, 6 is what? 6 is 3 into 2, yani middle number is 2. 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay? Now, इसमें आप देख सकते हैं middle number is 3. 3 into 3, sum is equal to 9. Here, middle number is 4. So, 3 into 4, sum is 12. Here, middle number is 5. So, sum is 3 into 5, that is 15. Okay, and here 8 plus 9 plus 10, sum is 27, that is equal to 3 into 9, which is equal to 27. So factometer 3 into middle term is equal to sum of all three consecutive numbers. For example, 3 into 2 equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6, right? So as we observe that the sum of each set is a multiple of 3, and if the middle number is multiplied by 3, we get the sum. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. The second one, pattern by adding 4 consecutive numbers. Now we are taking 4 numbers like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Sum is 10. Okay, so 10 is what? 10, what we can write it. So here, you know, middle terms 2 and 3, their sum is 5. So 2 into 5, that is equal to 10, right? Similarly, take next one, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Sum is 14. Now, take the middle terms, 2 terms, 3 and 4. Their sum is 7. 2 into 7, that is 14. Same, right? Take the next one, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, sum is 18. Okay, now what to do? So, 2 into sum of middle terms, that is 4 plus 5, means 2 into 9, that is equal to 18, right? Now we are taking 10, 11, 12 and 13. So their sum is 46. So let's try middle terms. 2 into 11 plus 12, that is 23. So 2 into 23 equals to 46. So what we are getting? So here we are getting that this factometer is given here. 2 into sum of two middle terms equals to sum of all 4 consecutive numbers. For example, 2 into 2 plus 3 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So here the sum increases by 4 each time, and sum is also equal to twice the sum of two middle terms. So you can see here, first sum is 10, then 14, then 18. It means sum is increasing by 4 in each step, right? And you know very well, it is equal to 2 into sum of two middle terms, right? So I hope this is clear to you. The third one, pattern by adding odd numbers. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Odd numbers को add करके देखते हैं. What we are getting? So 1 plus 3, that is 4, and 4, you know, 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, now we are adding 1, 3 and 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 9, means 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is equal to 16. So what is that? That is 4 into 4 means 16. Okay, now next 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5 numbers we are taking. Their sum is 25. So it is 5 into 5 equals to 25. So what are you getting? Here, the sum of given odd numbers is equal to the number of odd numbers multiplied by itself. जितने हम odd number लेंगे उतने से ही हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, वी आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर. 2 odd numbers, 2 into 2, answer is 4. 3 odd numbers, 3 into 3, sum is 9. 4 odd numbers, 4 into 4, sum is 16, right? So, sum of first 10 odd numbers means 10 into 10, that is 100. Sum of first 99 odd numbers, that would be 99 into 99, that is 9801. So, this is very interesting, is it? So, I hope this is clear to you. The fourth one, pattern by adding even numbers. अब हम क्या करें? Even numbers को add करते हैं. Let's start. 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. Okay? अब हमने 3 numbers लिए. 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 12. Now we are taking 4 numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is equal to 20. Now we are taking 5 numbers. That is equal to 30. So what we are getting? So here you can see 2 plus 4 equal to 6. You can write 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Means number of even numbers, जितने even numbers है, multiply by successor of the number of even numbers. उससे हम एक ज़्यादा number ले लेंगे. Like here 2 even numbers है. So 2 into 3, right? Now here 3 numbers, so 3 into 4, okay? Here 4 numbers, so 4 into 5. Here 5 numbers, so 5 into 6, okay? So, what do you observe? The sum of given even numbers is equal to the number of even numbers multiplied by the consecutive number to it. So, sum of first 11 even numbers hai, then what to do? 11 into 12, that is equal to 132. तो ऐसे अगर आपको sum of first 50 even numbers find करना है, what will you do? 50 into 51. Very simple, okay? Now come to second point, patterns in multiplication. While all multiples of any number form a pattern, there are more interesting patterns as shown below. See here, 1 into 1, that is 1. अब हम क्या करें? 11 into 11, that is 121. आपने क्या लिया है? 11 into 11. So it becomes 121. Now we are taking 111 and 111. This is what? This is 12,321, right? Now we are taking 1,111, yani 4 times 1 multiplied by 4 times 1. So what we are getting? This number. So see over here, if we are taking 2 times of 1, then what is the answer? We are getting 3 digits and 1 1 starting भी 1 से है, ending भी 1 से है, but the middle term is 2. जितनी बार 1 है, right? Now here 3 times of 1, it means 1 2 3, okay? Then 2 1, right? Now here 4 times 1, so 1 2 3 4, then 3 2 1, okay? So like this, we can get here, suppose I am taking 5 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is in the middle. Now 4, 3, 2, 1. Very interesting. So similarly, you can try like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1. And here also 6 times 1. Then it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. फिर हमें decreasing order में लिख देना है उसको. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Very interesting. Now, The third point, patterns in division. Observe the following patterns. 14 divided by 7 is 2, you know, and 140 divided by 7 is 20. Okay, then 1400 divided by 7, this is 200. Then 14,000 divided by 7, this is 2000. So, जितनी zeros होंगी dividend में, उतनी zeros हम question में लगाते जाएंगे. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now, the next here, 11 divided by 11 is 1. 121 divided by 11 is 11. Then 1221 divided by 11 is 1011. Then here we are increasing 2. Okay, so 12,221 divided by 11, that is 4 times 1. Okay, then here we are increasing 2. 4 times 2 divided by 11. So here this is 5 times 11. Okay, so you can see, agar 2 one time hai, so we will get 1, means 2 times 1, and then if 2 is 2 times, then you will get 2 plus 1, 3 times 1. If 2 is 3 times, you will get 4 times 1, and if it is 4 times, you will get 5 times 1 when you will divide by 11. So this is very interesting. The fourth one, patterns in square numbers. Observe the following. 1 into 1, you know 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. So a number when multiplied by itself is called a square number. So geometrically these numbers form a square as shown here. Like 1, say, you know, 1 dot. Now 4 dots you can represent like this, a square, right? Then 9 dots, it is a square, 3 into 3. Then 16 dots, it is a square, 4 into 4, right? So now the next is, hence we can make a sequence of square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 like this. This sequence can be extended infinitely. We may also find some more interesting facts and patterns within the square numbers. See, here you know 1 into 1 is 1 square, that is 1. 2 into 2 means 2 square, means 4, that is 1 plus 3. Now here 3 into 3, 3 square, that is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5. So what we are getting? Here we are getting sum of the first 2 odd numbers equals to 4. 9 is equal to sum of the first 3 odd numbers. Okay. And 16 is equal to sum of the first 4 odd numbers. Right. And 25 is what? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Means sum of the first 5 odd numbers. Okay. Now, if you observe the above pattern carefully, each square number is the sum of consecutive odd numbers. Can you guess the next step in this pattern? Now, the fifth one, patterns in triangular numbers. Observe the following shapes made by dots. See here 1 dot, here 3 dots, here we are getting 6 dots. So you can see which shape we are getting. We are getting a triangle shape. So each of the given shape is a triangle. Count the numbers of dots. These are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, etc. The numbers that form a triangle are called triangular numbers. So these all are triangular numbers. Okay, you can see here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, it is forming a triangle, right? Now, Looking at the triangular numbers again and notice the difference between the terms. We have numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. So what we can see, 1 plus 2 it becomes 3. 3 plus 3 it becomes 6. 6 plus 4 it becomes 10. 10 plus 5 it becomes 15. 15 plus 6 it becomes 21. It means next step हम क्या करेंगे, plus 7. 21 plus 7 that is 28. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, plus 8 that is 36. So you can extend the pattern easily. Hence the 7th and 8th triangular numbers will be 28 and 36. In the same way, we can find 48th triangular number and so on. Okay. Now we are doing 6th one, Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a sequence of numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, like this. So the next number is found by adding up the two numbers before it. See here, 1 plus 1 करेंगे, we are getting 2. 2 plus 1, we are getting 3. 3 plus 2, we are getting 5. 5 plus 3, we are getting 8. 8 plus 5, we are getting 13. 13 plus 8, we are getting 21. Okay, then 21 plus 13, we are getting 34, like this. Okay, so these numbers are what? These numbers are known as Fibonacci numbers. See over here, like 1, it is written as 1 only. फिर हमने 1 और 1 लिखा, then 1 only. Okay, now 1 plus 1, we are writing here 2. Okay, and here we are writing 1, 1 and with 2, right? Then 1 plus 2, we are getting 3, and here we are writing 1, in दोनों का sum 3, and here 3 and 1. So like this. So we are getting these numbers and these numbers forming a sequence, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, now the 7th one is cube numbers. Cube numbers are formed by multiplying a number by itself 3 times. अगर हम एक ही नंबर को 3 times उसी नंबर से multiply करते जाएं, then we will get the cube of that number. Like here 1. 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. And 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. You can see 1 here like 1 cube, 8 cubes, and here 27, here 64. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now let us attempt some examples. Example 1. Find the square numbers between 100 to 400. We know that 100 equals to 10 into 10 and 400 equals to 20 into 20. So therefore the square numbers between 100 and 400 are what? 10 के बाद हम क्या लेंगे? 11 into 11, 12 into 12, 13 into 13, 14 into 14, 15 into 15, multiply करते जाएंगे, 16 into 16, 17 into 17, 18 into 18 and 19 into 19. So till this you have to write. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Show me your thumbs up. Okay, the next example 2. In a series of square numbers, find the next 3 square numbers. So here they have written, this is a series of square numbers. You know 484 is the square of which number? That is 22. So 484 equals to 22 into 22, right? And 529 is 23 into 23. And 576 is 24 into 24. तो हम next number क्या लेंगे? 25 into 25 means 625. The next number 26 into 26 means 676. And the next number 27 into 27 means 729. So what we are getting? 625, 676 and 729. So I hope this is clear to you. Now example 3. Represent the following triangular or square numbers geometrically. See A part 4. 4 is a square number. So we can represent it like a square. 4 dots, 2 into 2. Right? Now the next B part 6. 6 is not a perfect square number. 6 is a triangular number. So how we can write it? How we can represent it? Like this. A triangle. 3 dots. 3, 2 and 1. Fine. Now C part 10. 10 is not a square number. It is a triangular number. So it is represented as a triangle like this. Okay. Now the next D part is 16. 16 is a square number. 4 into 4. तो हम क्या बना देंगे? Square बना देंगे 4 into 4. Okay. We can show the dots like this. Fine. Now the next is E part 21. 21 is a triangular number. Hence can be represented as a triangle. Okay. Now F part 36. 6 into 6. It is a square number. तो हम क्या बना देंगे? एक square बना देंगे. 6 into 6 का. Okay. And it appears in triangular numbers as well. ये triangular भी है और square भी है. तो this one is represented as a square. 36 को 6 into 6 and this one is as a triangle. Okay. So इसमें आपको दोनों show करना पड़ेगा. Square भी and triangle भी. Fine. So I hope this is clear to you. Now, patterns in shapes. Beside numbers, pattern is an arrangement of objects in which all the members are related with each other by a specific rule. After knowing the rule of a given pattern, we can continue it further. So let us look at the following patterns. You can see the first one over here, like here 1 star, then 2 stars, then here 4, then 1, 2 and 4. So in this pattern, the first 3 elements are repeated. Now look at the second one. Here rhombus and square is in the rhombus given, and triangle and 1 circle is in the triangle. Similarly, the first one and the second one. So in this, what can you see? The 2 shapes are repeated alternately. Right? Now see this one here, 1 square and 1 corner arrow. Then we are rotating it clockwise at different corners. So in this, the position of arrow changes clockwise. And here in the last one, you can see here this like W, then like M, then W and like M. So here in this, the 2 shapes are repeated alternately. Right? So now shapes related to numbers sequence. These are as follow. Like the first one, regular polygon. You know about regular polygon? A polygon when all the sides and all the angles are same. That is a regular polygon. See, the first one, this is a triangle, number of sides 3. Here this is quadrilateral, number of sides 4. This is a pentagon, number of sides 5. This is a hexagon, number of sides 6. Now heptagon, number of sides 7. Octagon, number of sides 8. Now nonagon, number of sides 9. And decagon, number of sides 10. Okay. Now the second one, stake squares. Okay. Here 1 square is 1. So 1 square we are taking. Now 2 square is 4. So here we are taking 4 squares. Okay. Then 3 square, that is equal to 9. So we are taking 9 squares, right? 4 square, that is equal to 16. So this shape, and then 5 square, that is equal to 25. Okay. Now the third one, stake triangles. See here, 1 triangle, 1 square is 1. Okay. Now 2 square equals to 4. So we are taking 4 triangles. Then 3 square is 9. We are taking 9 triangles. Okay. Here 4 square, that is 16 triangles. So you can see how the shapes are related to the number. Now exercise 1.1, based on such type of examples like question number 1, write the rule of the patrons and fill in the missing numbers in each of the following. So here like you can see B part 30, 35, 33, 38. So what we are doing? We are doing plus 5, then minus 2, then plus 5, then minus 2 means 36, then plus 5, 41, then minus 2, 39. So what is the rule? Rule is first we are doing plus 5 and then minus 2. Plus 5 then minus 2. Right? Okay. Now here like this, D part 4, 12, 36, 108. So how they are related to each other? 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 3, 108. Now 108 into 3, what will you get? 324. Then into 3, what will you get? 972. Then into 3, you will get the last term. So what is the rule? We are multiplying each number by 3 to get the next number. Right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now the second one, filling the blanks to complete the following patterns. See here A part, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 15. And here you will get 21. And now in this, what will you write? 7 here and here, that is 28. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is B part. 111 divided by 3, that is 37. 222 divided by 6, that is 37. 333 divided by 9, that is 37. And 444 divided by which number? Answer is 37. So see what we are getting. 3, 6, 9. These are the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9. The next multiple is 12. So 444 divided by 12, you will get 37. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? 555. So divided by which number? This is divided by next multiple, that is 15. Answer is 37. Now what should be dividend over here? आप देखो आपने 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. This is 6, 6, 6. Divide by 18, that is 37. The next would be 777. Divide by next multiple, that is 21. That is 37. Very interesting. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Now the third one, study the patron and find the missing term. See here A part, we can see some numbers here and some numbers in these semicircles. So see what is the relation between these numbers. So we can see over here 8 into 2, 16. 5 into 2, 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. And here 7 into 2, that is 14. So here what should I write? 9 into 2, that would be 18. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try B part. ऐसे आपके पास C part है. Let's try this one. So here 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 8, 5, 4 in semicircles and 7, 5, 9 and this we don't know. These are in a square. So see, 4 plus 3 that is 7. 2 plus 3 that is 5. 4 plus 5 that is 9 and here 8 plus 3 that is 11. So same relation we have to use for all the numbers. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now the fourth one, study the pattern and fill in the circles. Now see A part, it's a triangle form, some numbers given and two numbers missing. So see how they are connected to each other. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, 7, 9. This is 12. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. Okay. Then 5 plus 7, 12. 7 plus 9, that is 16. And then 12 plus 16, that is 28. Very interesting. Similarly, you can try B part. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 3 plus 4, that is 7. And 4 plus 5, that is 9. So here 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 7, it is 12. And 7 plus 9, 16 is given. Now 8 plus 12, this is 20. Now 12 plus 16, it is 28. Now 20 plus 28, this is 48. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts, right? Now question number 5, mark the picture which does not follow the rule, also correct it. Now here we have some picture which is not correct. So just find it out और उसको आपने correct करना है. Okay, you can try this one on your own. Now the sixth one, complete the following patterns. A part, 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals to 16. It means we are adding odd numbers. So now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, it becomes 25. Okay, right? Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus next number 11, that is 36. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now see this part, the last one, 49, 64, 81. 49 is 7 square, 64, 8 square, 81, 9 square. The next number is 10 square, means 100. Then 11 square is 121. Then 12 square is 144. Okay, so like this. Now you can try like 7th question. Find the square numbers lying between 75 and 225. See, after 75, which one is the square number? That is 81, means 9 square. फिर हम ले लेंगे 10 square, 100. Then 11 square, 121. Then 12 square, 144. Then 13 square and 14 square. And 15 square is 225, so no need to take it. तो हम क्या लेंगे 169 and then 196. So like this you can try these questions. Similarly 8th question you can try on your own. Now this is the assessment time. Competency based question. A part, multiple choice question. The first one. What number is missing in the pattern? See, 12, 16, 20. So what is the relation? 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Answer is 24. The second one, which is the next ordered pair in the pattern 14, 7, 12, 6, 10, 5. So 7 twos are, 6 twos are, 5 twos are. अब हम क्या लेंगे? 4 twos are 8. Means 8 and 4. The next number is 8 and 4. Okay. Now, next is question number 3, which is the next ordered pair in the pattern 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12, and here 6, 18, 7, 21. This one is missing. यानी हम क्या ले रहे हैं? Numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and this is what? 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 4 into 3. Yani 5 into 3, that is 15. So 5, 15. Okay. Now the fourth one, what number is missing in this pattern? 1, 2, 4, 8. So how we can find it out? See, 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 into 2, that is 8. So 8 into 2, that is 16. Then 16 into 2, it is 32. And 32 into 2, it is 64. So answer is 16. Okay. Now the fifth one, complete the pattern 12, 24, 36. So these are the multiples of 12. So here 48. Right. Okay. Now B part, filling the blanks. The first one, what is missing number in the pattern? 4, 8, 12, 16. These are the multiples of 4. So after 16, 20. Then 24, 28. Right. Okay. The second one, next pattern of the series is 2, 6, 12, 20. So here what we are getting? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Then 12 plus 8, 20. Then plus 10. So that is 30. Okay. Now the third one, next pattern of the series is 4, 9, 16, 25 dash 49, 64. These are what? These are the square numbers. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So 6 square, that is 36. ऐसे हमारे पास fourth है. Series given है 2, 5, 10, 17 dash 37, 50. You can try this one. ऐसे fifth है 1, 8, 27, 64. These are cube numbers. So 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube means 125. Then 6 cube and 7 cube. Right? Now I hope these are clear to you. Now C part, write T for true and F for false statements. The first one, in a pattern where each number increases by 5, the sequence is 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. This is right? Yes, this is true. Okay. The second one, a pattern where each one is divided by 2 to obtain the previous term appears by the numbers 3, 6, 12 and 24. Is this right? 6 को अगर हम 2 से divide करेंगे, we are getting 3. 12 को अगर हम 2 से divide करेंगे, we are getting 6. And 24 को if we are dividing by 2, we are getting 12. So this statement is also true, right? The third one, the pattern 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 consists of the square of the first 5 positive integers. Yes, this is true, right? Now the fourth one, in this pattern where each term is multiplied by 2, the sequence 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 is correct? Yes, because each number 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, that is 16. So yes, this is also true. The fifth one, the sequence 2, 5, 10, 17, 26 formed by adding consecutive prime numbers to each term. Let's see here, 2 plus 3, 5, then 5 plus 5, 10, then 10 plus 7, 17, then 17 plus 9, 26. But 9 is not a prime number. So this statement is false. Okay. Now, D part, case study based question. The Fibonacci pattern is defined as the sequence of numbers in which each term in the sequence is obtained by adding the two terms before it, starting with the number 0 and 1. The Fibonacci pattern is given as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and so on. We have done this one. So based upon the above phenomena, answer these questions. The first one, which is the Fibonacci sequence? So just find it out which one, that is B part. Okay. Now the second one, in the Fibonacci sequence, each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Yes. What is the next number after 5? So see the sequence, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3 plus 5, that is 8. Answer is 8. Okay. Now the third one, how many Fibonacci numbers are prime number within the first 20 numbers in the sequence? Just try this one on your own. Okay. Now the fourth one, what is the 12th number in the Fibonacci sequence? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers we have. Now find next. 8 plus 13, 21. Then 21 plus 13, 34. Then 34 plus 21, 55. Then 55 plus 34, 89. Like this you can find. You have to find the 12th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 89, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now E part, assertion reason based question. Direction for question 1 to 2. In each of the questions given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Mark your answer as per the codes provided below. A part, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B part, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C part, A is true but R is false, and G part, A is false but R is true. Let's see the questions. Question 1, assertion A. 2, 4, 6, 8 dash, all are even natural numbers. Yes, this is right. Reason R, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Yes, this is correct. So here A is the right option. Now question number 2, assertion A. The sum of the first 10 terms of odd number series is 100. Yes, 10 into 10, that is 100. And reason R, the sum of the first n odd natural number is n square. Yes, this is also correct. So A code is the answer of second question. Right? Now the next is subjective type question. You have here some question like F part. Complete the following increasing patterns. You can complete it. Similarly, second one. Here we are increasing this number of figures. First 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. अब हम बना देंगे 10, फिर 12 like this. Okay. Now the third one, observe the pattern and fill in the circles. Here we have one blank, one digit is missing. See, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5 and 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 plus 4, it should be 9. Okay. Now come to word stop, pattern, visualize, consecutive, shapes and polygon. Now activity, objective. To understand the rules of a magic square of 3 into 3, materials required: a cardboard, chart paper, colored paper, Fevicol, sketch pens and a pair of scissors. Procedure. Step 1. Take a chart paper or cardboard of size 12 cm into 12 cm. The second step, paste a colored paper on the cardboard. The third step, make a 3 into 3 square on it. with sketch pen as shown in figure 1. अभी हम देखेंगे. Then the fourth one, choose any multiple of 3 as a constant. Let it be 21. Now the fifth one, put the number 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Call the central number in the middle cell C5. C. Look at this. हमने figure 1 draw किया, a square 3 into 3, right? Now we are writing C1, C2, C3. These are the cells, blocks. C4, C5, C6, C7, C8 and C9. Okay, अब हमने एक number choose किया, central number 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Now next step, add 1 to the central number and subtract 1 from the central number. Put these numbers in C3 and C7 respectively. अब हम क्या करेंगे, 7 में 1 add कर देंगे और minus कर देंगे. So 7 plus 1, 8, 7 minus 1, that is 6. Now add 2 to the central number and subtract 2 from it. Put these numbers to the right C6 and left C4 of the central number. अब हम 7 plus 2, that is 9. 7 minus 2, that is 5. Okay. Now the next, add 3 to the central number and subtract 3 from the central number. Put these numbers in C1 and C9. अब 7 plus 3, 10. 7 minus 3, that is 4. ऐसे हम क्या करेंगे, add 4 to the central number and subtract 4 from the central number and put these numbers in C8 and C2 respectively. So 7 plus 4, 11. 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. Now your magic square is ready. Verify it. Now this figure we are getting. So now we can verify. 10 plus 5 plus 6. This is 21. 3 plus 7 plus 11. This is 21. 8 plus 9 plus 4. This is 21. आप अगर ऐसे ऐड करेंगे, 10 plus 3 plus 8, 21. 5 plus 7 plus 9, 21. 6 plus 11 plus 4, this is also 21. So this is the magic square. ऐसे आप और activities try कर सकते हैं. These are very interesting. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.